railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Hi there, I'm Lisa the Ukulele Fool. We're going to dive in and do the play along first, and I'll stick all the details in somewhere on the screen. I want to give a big shout out to all my patrons. Thank you so very much for your financial support, your community support. This channel would not be possible without you. If you've got $3 to invest in your learning, come on and join us. You'll get great rewards and be part of this great crew. At the end of this play along, I'll stick in all the cool stuff that I do, show you how to do it, break it down. All right, let's get going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been working on the railroad all the live long day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass that time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo and singing B-5, fiddly-I-O, B-5, fiddly-I-O, B-5, fiddly-I-O, strumming on the old banjo. I've been working on the railroad, boy, won't you listen to me? Someday I'm gonna buy this railroad, and everybody'll ride for free. My dog just walked out on me. Let me take you through some of the twists and turns in this piece that I added in, and stay around to the end. I've got a history nerd section for you. I am doing a pick G island strum. So on an A minor, I am picking my G, and I've got a low G string on this instrument. I have a link down below if you'd like to get my favorite pair of low Gs, and so I'm going pick, down, up, down, up, pick, down, up, down, up. I am just simply plucking it with my thumb. Pick, down, up, down, up, pick, down, up, down, up. One of my favorite ways to spice up the island strum. I'm also doing a little interlude, and it looks like this. You play an A minor down strum for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go back into the pick island strum, or just a regular island strum. I strum an A minor chord, 1, 2. On beat 3, I pluck an open G string. I pluck on beat 4 a first fret on the G string, and then I go back into a pluck, down, up, down, up. Let's just practice it a few times. Each line ends with an A minor strum, so we'll do an A minor strum. You can either do island or pick island strum, and then we'll do this little walk up, and then we'll do an A minor afterwards. So 1, 2, here we go. Pick, down, up, down, up, down. 2, 3, 4, pick, down, up, down, up, down. Let's do that again. Pick, down, up, down, up, down. Last time. Pick, down, up, down, up, down. I'm also doing a technique on the E7, I am doing a little bit of a left hand mute. So I'm doing the E7 down, regular way, but as soon as I reach down here, I lift up my fingers, still touching the string. So you see that little squeeze action? Well, what that's doing is I'm releasing the tension up here, and it makes the notes sound shorter. Now I still have my E string ringing because there's no finger on it, but it still makes everything else sound much shorter. So give that a try, just a little extra spice, you know, a pinch of pepper. I've been working on the railroad. It's been around for a very long time. Did you sing it in elementary school? I know I did. I know my parents did too, so been around for a very long time. And we do know from other songs like Drill Ye Terriers Drill, the working conditions on the railroad really were miserable. Long hours, hard conditions, super dangerous conditions. Drill Ye Terriers Drills talks about explosives going off prematurely. Yeah, and we also know that it was mostly an immigrant workforce. Just from the songs, we know that Scottish and Irish and African Americans were working on it, and I don't know that there's any good songs that talk about the huge impact of Chinese immigrants working on the railroad as well. So tough job. But then we get this fee-fi-fiddly-o. Where does that come from? Well, it's believed that this song is actually a mashup, and that fee-fi-fiddly-o kind of maybe came from a vaudevillian type of act, and it kind of got smushed together. And then there's Dinah. Dinah, working in the kitchen. Is it she just regular kitchen help? Could it be that she's an African American kitchen help? Could it be even dating back to slavery times? Is Dinah fee-fi-fiddly-o, and does that mean something? Yeah, right? I have my thoughts on that. And is Dinah giving consent, or is this against her will? We don't know. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Give me some thoughts down there. And do you know more about this song than I do? We'd all love to hear that, so please let us know. All right, folks, thank you so much for listening to the end. And again, consider liking and subscribing, all that good stuff. And I'd love to have you as part of my crew on Patreon. We really have a good time, and I really value what my Patreon community gives to me in order the bounty of being able to do this job on YouTube.